Interesting facts about Jupiter. It is massive. It's no secret that Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. But this description really doesn't do it justice. For once, the mass of Jupiter is 318 times as massive as the Earth. In fact, Jupiter is 2.5 times more massive than all other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. For all its size and mass, Jupiter sure moves quickly. In fact, with a rotational velocity of 12.6 km per second or 45,000 km per hour, the planet only takes about 10 hours to complete a full rotation on its axis. And because it's spinning so rapidly, the planet has flattened out at the poles a little and it's bulging at its equator. The clouds on Jupiter are only 50 kilometers thick. That's right, all those beautiful whirling clouds and storms you see on Jupiter are only about 50 kilometers thick. They're made of ammonia crystals broken up into two different cloud decks. The darker material is thought to be compounds from the deeper inside Jupiter and then change color when they react with sunlight. But below those clouds is just hydrogen and helium all the way down. Jupiter has 67 moons. It has 67 confirmed and named satellites. However, it is estimated that the planet has over 200 natural satellites orbiting it. Almost all of them are less than 10 kilometers in diameter and were only discovered after 1975 when the first spacecraft arrived on Jupiter. Jupiter has been visited 7 times by spacecraft. Jupiter was first visited by NASA's Pioneer 10 spacecraft in December 1973 and then Pioneer 11 in December 1974. Then came out of the Voyager 1 and 2 flybys, both of which happened in 1979. That was followed by a long break until Ulysses arrived in February 1992, followed by the Galileo space probe. Facts about Mercury. It is the closest to the Sun. This planet has been studied by multiple spacecrafts through the years. Scientists have uncovered some amazing findings about the small planet and have even mapped its entire surface. Mercury is the closest to the Sun and it is the hottest planet, but its surface can still be extremely cold. The temperature during the day can reach 840 degrees Fahrenheit, but at night temperature can get as low as minus 275 Fahrenheit. The fluctuation equals a temperature swing of more than 1100 Fahrenheit, the largest of any planet in the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. The diminutive planet is about 3030 miles in diameter, making it about the size of the continental United States and only slightly bigger than Earth's moon. It's smaller than both Saturn's moon Titan and Jupiter's moon Ganymede. Pluto used to be considered the smallest planet in the solar system, but it was downgraded to a dwarf planet, leaving the distinction to Mercury. Scientists think that a huge asteroid slammed into Mercury about 4 billion years ago, creating a giant crater about 960 miles across called the Colorado Basin. The crater could fit the whole state of Texas inside it. Researchers have calculated that the asteroid that created the basin had to be been about 60 miles wide. Apparently, there is ice inside Mercury's crater. The planet's north and south poles are cold and shadowy, which allow them to retain water ice. Meteoroids and comets could have delivered ice to those areas from Mercury's innards could have seeped out and frozen.